Welcome, today I'm with VIVO Y52 5G, and if you want to add or remove home screen widget at the first, you have to click and hold one of the widget and then remove, just like that. I'm going to make it with the both widgets, and that's how you can remove. If you want to add the new widget, you have to click and hold your screen, select widgets, and right now we can find here a lot of different widgets. I'm going to attach, for example, this digital clock, so you have to click, hold and then drag. Right now this widget is on our screen. We can for sure change position of this widget, so if you want to put it, for example, on the last screen, you can make it very simple. And right now we can also resize the widget, so we can make wider or smaller. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.